Hey guys, welcome back to my garage. Today we're taking a look at a small maintenance item, and while this is a very simple and easy process to complete, it's just as important as any other maintenance that you're going to do on your bike. So let's check it out. What we're looking at today is the air filter on this Harley-Davidson 117. Now this is a stock air cleaner, so this should be the same for the 24, 25, and 26. Road Glide and Street Glide if you have not put an aftermarket air cleaner on it. I was searching around YouTube to see if there were videos on this, and I didn't see a whole lot. I see a lot of stuff about people installing aftermarket things, but I've never seen one just kind of highlighting the air filter that's on the bike. Maybe it's because it's so simple, but there are people out there that are a little bit leery about taking things apart, so I wanted to go ahead and make a quick video showing how to do that. I just went to my local Harley dealership, and I ordered a couple of these, and I don't know if that was a good idea or not. I ordered two of them, so I wouldn't have to go back and do it next time. But I don't know if, you know, for record keeping, for service and that kind of thing, whether or not I should have just ordered one. That way I have a paid receipt each time. But I did order two of them and pay for them at the same time. So I guess maybe I can just copy the receipt and put it with my next oil change and service as well. That way that, you know, I have record of actually buying the filter. But there's part number for you. And here's what the filter looks like coming out of the box. Basically just a weird shaped air filter. And just pops right on. We'll show you how to take that off. Just one screw to take that cover off, and then you pull the other one out, stick this one in. Okay, so the only tool you're going to need is a 3/16 hex head or Allen wrench, Allen tool. Just take the screw out here to remove the outer cover. Then you just basically pull that, just pop that air filter off there and put the new one in. Pretty simple. Just comes right off like that. So if you got an aversion to, or if you don't really like to tear your bike apart, this is one of the easier ones you can do. You see how dirty that is compared to the new one. And that was changed just 5,000 miles ago. So definitely important to keep these clean. And I think it was $35 at Harley, something like that. Obviously, I think it's a little bit too much for what you have here, but it is what it is, and you got to replace it. So just going to put it on and go with it. Anyway, you just reverse the process. Put it back on. And I did bend one of those little fins, but obviously they're so easy to manipulate. You can fix it like right back the way it was. Then all you got left to do is put the cover back on and insert the screw and get her tied down or tightened down, and you're good to go. So there it is, pretty simple, quick process, doesn't take but a few minutes. I feel like maybe this is probably something that people overlook on occasion because it's, you know, we're all worried about making sure the oil's changed, the primary fluid and the transmission fluid is all up to date and everything's good and clean, and the air filter just kind of falls out of focus. And I have caught myself a day or two after doing a service and realizing I did not change the air filter and had to go back and do that. But, you know, just if you're doing your own service, make sure you're changing that air filter. Another thing I want to mention was the recall for the base plate of the air cleaner. I had that recall done this week, or actually had it checked. My bike does not have the issue. The tech told me that most of the bikes that are coming in do not have the issue. It's just out of an abundance of caution, Harley is recalling all these bikes. Some of them have it. He said the number is very low of the people that actually have the problem. But it's definitely worth getting your bike in there to get it checked. If you've had your bike for, you know, 10, 15,000 miles, it's a good chance that you probably don't have the issue. But you should definitely take it in there anyway and get it checked. Let them verify, because it is a free warranty check. So free recall check. So definitely don't wait around on that. Call them up and get you an appointment. Before I go, I do want to say if you have a 24, 25, and 26 Road Glide or Street Glide, and you're looking to put some accessories on, but you don't want to spend $5,000 and stuff, check out some of the links below in my description. I've got tons of things on this bike from Amazon. They look great. They function perfectly. I've never had a problem with quality, and they all have held up well. I've had them on well over 2 years, and I enjoy each one of them, still use them all the time. So check out the links below, and I appreciate y'all stopping by to watch the video. Y'all be safe, and we'll see you on the next one.